Have you seen Sarnath Pillar, children? Sarnath Pillar, great update, the big great Sarnath Pillar. At the top we can see the 4 lions back to back, but only we can see 3 lions because one lion will be like, another one on this side, it will face to that side, another lion it will face to that side, back of that one lion. So 4 lions are there, understand, but we can see only 3 lions. In the coins you can see the 3 lions in a rupees notebook, in the rupees and all money we can see the this Sarnath Pillar oda that emblem. It became, the government of India declared it is the emblem of India, one of the emblem of India, understand. And in the middle we have the, in the flag we have the chakra, the 24 spokes, understand, பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா the 24 spokes, Ashoka chakra, அப்படியே 24 spokes இருக்கும் in the national flag la. It is Ashoka chakra. It is taken from the Sarnath Pillar only. 24 spokes in Ashoka chakra. It is called as Ashoka chakra. Understand, children, this is very important. நம்மளோட national flagலயே நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம், what are the 3 colors in our national flag? Saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the end. Okay, so the 3 colors. In the middle, in the white la enna irukku background la, there is a chakra. பார்த்திருக்கீங்கல்ல, அதுல நீங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? அந்த லைன்ஸ் வரும்ல, அதுல எத்தனை இருக்குமா? 24 spokes. Understand? 24 spokes இருக்கும். அதுக்கு அந்த சக்கராக்கு நேம் என்ன? Ashoka chakra, because it has erected by this great king Ashoka, emperor Ashoka. Understand? So that for that only we are having this we are learning about Ashoka in this lesson. Okay, and he constructed many inscriptions also. This another one, what we saw, Sarnath Pillar construct பண்ணிருக்கிறாரு, and another one is Sanchi Stupa. From Sarnath Pillar, from Sanchi Stupa, and many monuments, many forts, kotaigal, many forts he constructed. Understand? So from all these we can know about the great king Ashoka. That's why he is called as Ashoka the Great. Understand? Okay. Next we will come on to proto history. Proto, another one is proto history. What is proto history? The period between prehistory and history. The period in between prehistory and history is called as proto history. Understand? The period between, short term is எழுதுறேன், the period between prehistory and history is called proto history. What is proto history, children? Say all of you. Say along with me. Miss oda சேர்ந்து சொல்றீங்களா? What is proto history? Proto history is the period between prehistory and history is called as proto history. Understand? Okay. Here next we'll see, already I told you in the ancient period people they lived in the caves. Now we have great buildings irukku and separate houses we are having. Understand? நிறைய flat system பார்த்திருக்கீங்க, அப்படியே அடுக்கடுக்கா நிறைய floors வச்சு 20 floor வச்ச வீடெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Understand? சேஃபாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், கேட்டு போட்டுக்கிறோம், and then door இருக்கு, all the windowsக்கு we have the locks, everything we have. We are in the safe environment today. பட் இந்த ஏன்ஷியன் டைம் அந்த மாதிரி பில்டிங் எல்லாம் அங்கே கட்டினாங்களா ஏன்ஷியன் பீப்புள்? தே டோன்ட் நோ ஹவு டு பில்ட் இல்லை. அதனால ஐ டோல் யூ வேர் தே லிவ். எஸ், வெரி குட். சம்படி ஆர் சேயிங் தே ஆர் லிவிங் இன் த கேவ்ஸ். கேவ்ஸ்னால் என்னம்மா? குகைகள். சொன்னோம்ல, பார்த்தேன்ல. ஐ டோல் யூ நோ in the beginning lesson I told you the ancient people they lived in the caves. Understand? கேவ்ஸில் அவங்க குகையில் இருக்கிறதுனால கேட் எல்லாம் இருக்குமா கேவ்ஸ்குள்ளே? ஒன்லி ராக் வச்சு என்ன பண்ணிடுவாங்க? தே க்ளோஸ் த ஓப்பனிங் ஆஃப் த கேவ்ஸ் வித் என்ன? ராக். பிக் ராக் இருக்கும், அதை வச்சு மூடியிருப்பாங்க. Understand? So there are very dangerous aspects will occur because many in the forest only we can have the caves. So many dangerous animals, they will come inside the caves and they will attack the people. So for that they don't know what to do. So while sleeping at the time during at night and all, they won't be light. இப்போ நம்ம என்னென்னோ LED லைட், டியூப் லைட், மெனி பெரிய லைட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சுக்கிறோம், சீரியல் பல்பெல்லாம் போடுறோம். அப்போ அதெல்லாம் சீரியல் பல்பெல்லாம் இருந்ததா? நாட் அட் ஆல். பல்பெல்லாம் இப்போ இல்லை. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஒன்று அவங்க வெளிச்சம் சன்லைட் வந்தால் தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அவங்களுக்கு? தே கேன் கெட் த லைட். They don't have any bulb or any lights. Understand? So they don't know any animals. If it's enter into the caves, they can't able to see at night. So for that they domesticated dogs. நம்ம கூட என்ன பண்ணுறோம் வீட்டிலலாம்? We are domesticating dog. எதுக்காக? For what we are domesticating dog? வீட்டில் ஏன் நாய் வளர்க்குறோம்? யாராவது நெய்பர்ஸ் யாராவது உள்ளே வந்தாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் டாக் என்ன பண்ணோம்? Our dog will bark. Wow, 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 like that it will bark. ஒன்று நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We can see, hey, யார் வரா பாருங்க அப்படின்னு mummy will say. Is it not? So at that time itself the ancient people, they have the knowledge to domesticate dogs for their safety. Understand? So they domesticated dogs for their safety. Understand? So the first animal which was domesticated by the ancient people is dog. உங்களுக்கு அதை ஃபில்லப்லலாம் கேட்பாங்க. In one word they will ask you. So each and every word you can get it in this test. Okay, they will ask you in the exam papers, they will ask you in one word, match the following, choose the correct answer, short answer, and even paragraph answers also you have. Understand, children? Okay, in the next class I'll give you the exercises. I'll mark and give you the fill-ups, choose, everything I'll give you in later. But today you have to understand the some few names. உங்களுக்கு சின்ன கிளாஸில் டிக்டேஷன் வேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கொடுப்பாங்க இல்லை? அந்த மாதிரி now I am going to say about some words. You have to write it down. Okay, one by one I will say. Shall I write it here? The dictation words, the important words. Not only it is not a dictation word, you have to pronounce the words also. That is very important. Pronunciation is very important in the higher classes. Children, you come across the 6th standard vandachi. So you should not talk in Tamil. You have to talk in English only. Then only you can improve your knowledge. You have to converse. Whether it's correct or not, no problem. But you have the boldness to talk in English. Okay. So some important words you have to know. That is archaeological. Chronological. The important words I am writing. And literature. You have to pronounce these words. Understand? Saranath Pilla. Proto-history. Historia. Monuments. inscriptions, numismatics, and what we can say, secular. Okay, secular. All these are the important words you have to know. Understand? These are the important words which you have to pronounce in this lesson. Though the first lesson is over. What is history? Already I told you this lesson is the conversation between the mother and her daughter Kamalini. Understand? Adha ungalku I explained you what is history, what are the sources of history, and about the great king Ashoka the Great, and the divisions of history, the literatures, and how the people they lived in the caves, and what is proto-history. Understand? And which animal the ancient people domesticated first? Yes, very good, dogs. Understand? So, and the important thing, the Sarnath pillar, the Sarnath, 4 lions back to back. This is the emblem of national emblem. One of our national emblem is Sarnath pillar. That is the Ashoka Chakra. Understand? It is in the great flag. நம்மளோட flag பறக்கும்போதே எப்படி இருக்கும்? Will feel somewhat proud. Understand? Will feel courage. Okay. So, this Sarnath pillar, this is our national emblem. It is taken from the Ashoka Chakra has taken from the Sarnath pillar. Understand? Which was erected by King Ashoka. So, these are all this Kalinga war is a very important war, the last war of the great King Ashoka. That too I told you. And after the Kalinga war only, he started to embrace Buddhism. Understand? And he followed Dharma. Dharma means peace and Ahimsa. It started to spread Buddhism all over the world. Even he sent his daughter and his son to all. Even Sri Lanka kuda avanga paiyan ponaru. Poitu he spread Buddhism. Understand? So this we saw. And the proto-history. What is proto-history? Children, you repeat it again. The period between prehistory and history is called as the proto-history. Understand? The ancient people domesticated which animal? Dog. First animal which was domesticated by the ancient people was dog. Okay. Okay. Again, I will repeat this. I will say the new words to you. You repeat it. Okay. Archaeological. Okay. Chronological. Then literature. Okay. Sarnath pillar. Proto-history. Historia. Historia is a Greek word that means learning of inquiry. Understand? So, monuments, then inscriptions, numismatics. Numismatics in the sense coins. Coins are called as numismatics. Okay. Then this secular. Another. Then Buddhism too you can say. Then emperor, the spelling emperor, then Dharma, then peace, Ahimsa, and Sarnath pillar, and emblem, 24 spokes, Ashoka Chakra. So, these are all the important new words you have to remember, and you have to know the spelling also. Then only you can write the test. Have you understand, children? Okay. In history, we finished the first lesson. Are you happy? Are you understand? Okay, children. We'll pass on to, in the next class, we'll see the second lesson. Understand? Second lesson in history. Thank you, children. Thank you.